Hey, have you ever wondered how some people manage to run successful online stores without ever touching the products they sell? Imagine making money while you sleep, with no inventory, no warehouse, and minimal upfront costs. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me introduce you to the world of dropshipping. Picture this. You set up an online store, list products from suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. You never have to handle the product yourself. Intrigued? Let's break down how this works and why it's such a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. 1. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. 2. How does dropshipping work? Here's a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Choose a niche. Start by selecting a niche that you're passionate about or that has a high demand. This could be anything from fitness gear to tech gadgets. Step 2. Find a supplier. Look for reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, and SaleWho are great places to start. Step 3. Set up your online store. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your online store. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and various customization options. Step 4. List products. Import products from your supplier to your online store. Make sure to write compelling product descriptions and use high-quality images. Step 5. Market your store. Use social media, SEO, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. The more people visit your site, the higher your chances of making sales. Step 6. Process orders. When a customer places an order, you purchase the product from your supplier, who then ships it directly to the customer. You keep the difference between the selling price and the supplier's price as your profit. 3. Advantages of dropshipping. Low startup costs. Since you don't need to invest in inventory up front, the initial costs are significantly lower compared to traditional retail. Easy to start with platforms like Shopify. Setting up an online store is straightforward and doesn't require advanced technical skills. Flexible location. You can run your dropshipping business from anywhere with an internet connection, giving you the freedom to travel or work from home. Wide product selection. You can offer a wide variety of products without worrying about storage space or inventory management. 4. Challenges of dropshipping. Low margins. Since you're competing with many other dropshippers, profit margins can be thin. It's essential to find a niche with less competition or offer unique products. Inventory issues. Since you rely on suppliers to fulfill orders, you might face issues like stock shortages or delays in shipping. Customer service. Handling customer inquiries and complaints can be challenging, especially when you don't have control over the shipping process. Now you might be thinking, this sounds amazing, but is it really that easy? Well, like any business model, dropshipping has its pros and cons. The key to success lies in choosing the right niche, finding reliable suppliers, and effectively marketing your store. But here's the exciting part. With dedication and smart strategies, many entrepreneurs have turned dropshipping into a lucrative business. So, if you're looking for a way to start an online business with minimal risk and flexibility, dropshipping might just be the perfect fit for you. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right approach, it can be a rewarding venture. Ready to give it a shot? Let's get started on building your dropshipping empire.